I think it's no secret that the foil is made of aluminum, but is it possible to make a solid monolithic piece of aluminum back from foil? The foil on its surface has the thinnest layer of a very strong oxide film, and in order to obtain a homogeneous aluminum ingot, the foil must be compressed with such force that this layer collapses. Will a 500-ton hydraulic press have enough power for this? But initially, judging by the sound, some kind of solidity is present. On the surface of this pancake, all the irregularities that were imprinted were imprinted. Na osip pra nemnago magkavato no seradina asin tverda da I esli prismatricsa mazno zamedit niskolko otlixia struktura srednej. Casti ot crave, secas poprobuum zath folgu nemnago drugum sposabam. V pervom slusi my razmotali selij rulin I sobrali ego haotic nam poratki. V ideala samum pravilnim resenium bilo by palazit pod press selij ne razmotanij rulin fulgi nu k sozalanu kazdam rilon. Presutstvu et kartana vitulka poetomu a akuratno paramotal visu etu folgu zanovo v rulin no uz bez centralnoj vitulki. Secas poprobuum visat atot parag pressum I posmotrum kakaj resultat polusitsa. Again, the edges are somehow not very good, but in the middle it is very good. In order to weaken the oxide film, which does not allow these layers of foil to stick together, you could try to heat all this and then squeeze it with a press. In principle, we will try to do this now. This free part is still hot. Now this sound resembles the blows of metal on metal. Well, the first impression is that it turned out very well, and in order to check how good we got a piece of aluminum, we will try to make a knife out of all this. For one thing, let's see how good a foil knife can be. We are not talking about any kind of manufacturing of the handle. We will just give the shape of the blade, sharpen it a little, and see how it will cope with its direct duties of the knife. We turned out to have such a blade. The shape of an ordinary table knife. How good can a knife made of foil, well, or aluminum be? Well, yes, he copes with such tests with a bang. But it is only necessary for him to face a little more serious tests, to plan an ordinary pine tree, and that's what his blade turns into.